Thank you for checking out Dr. Christine Greves' website. I'm sitting down with her today to talk about all of your most important questions about the female body. So let's dive right in. Some of my friends have daughters that are approaching their teenage years, and so obviously they're going to have a lot of questions about their first periods. At what age would you recommend a young girl first start carrying around a pad? And also, is it okay to use tampons if you're not already sexually active? Is that safe?
You may want to recommend your daughter, your daughter's friend, someone who is in that age bracket of when they could have a period, to just carry a little pad in their purse or a little panty liner in case their period starts that day at school. That way they have something if it happens. It typically will start, we see it a lot of times starting at 11, 12, 13, 14. If the period hasn't started after someone is 15, that's when you do need to address it with your pediatrician or gynecologist to get it evaluated. But that doesn't occur that often. So question is, can you use a tampon even if you haven't had intercourse? Yes, you can. I like to recommend starting off with a small tampon and talking to someone, like if you are a teenage girl watching this, try to find someone that you trust and that you can talk to about how to insert a tampon in a painless way. Also, I like to recommend the plastic applicators, a smaller tampon, when you're starting that process in order to do it. But yes, you can definitely do that before you're sexually active, as that way you're not having to wear a pad all the time if you're okay with it. Just make sure you remove it. Remove it. I like to recommend removing it between every 4 and 6 hours. That way it's not in, you're not going to forget about it, and it doesn't increase your risk for getting the toxic shock syndrome. So those are some answers to that for the first period for a teenage girl.